In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream on VLC Media Player step by step so you can quickly broadcast a video file to other devices on your network without needing any complicated setup. This is a really useful feature if you want to share media from your computer to a phone, tablet, smart TV, or another PC on the same Wi-Fi network. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, go to the top left corner and click the Media tab. From the drop-down menu, choose Stream. On Windows, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S, which takes you straight to the streaming setup window. Now you'll see the Open Media screen. This is where you choose the file you want to stream. Click Add, then browse through your computer and select the media file you want to broadcast. This could be a video, a movie file, or any supported media format that VLC can play. After selecting your file, click the Stream button at the bottom to continue. On the next screen, take a moment to verify that your file source is correct. Make sure VLC is showing the right media file before you move forward. If everything looks good, click Next. Now, you'll be taken to the destination settings. In the new destination drop-down menu, select HTTP, then click Add. HTTP is what allows VLC to send the stream over your local network so other devices can connect to it. After that, keep the default port number, which is usually 8080. You should also leave the path blank if you want to broadcast to any device on your local network without adding a custom address. Once that is set, click Next. On the Transcoding screen, you'll see a few advanced options. For most users, you should uncheck Activate Transcoding unless you specifically need VLC to convert the file into another format. Leaving transcoding off usually keeps the setup simpler and helps maintain better quality. You should also check Stream All Elementary Streams, which ensures the media is sent properly during playback. After that, click Stream to begin broadcasting. VLC will now start serving your media over HTTP, and other devices on the same network can access it if they know the correct address and port. If needed, you can use your computer's local IP address with the port 8080 in a browser or compatible player to view the stream. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stream on VLC Media Player. It's a simple but powerful way to share media across your network in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.